The American Standard Platinum 18 is a high-efficiency heat pump, but a common issue is the COM ERR or ECOM error. This means the indoor unit, outdoor compressor, and thermostat aren't communicating correctly. This system relies on Modbus or proprietary communication protocols. This error can prevent the system from starting or cause erratic temperature control, reducing efficiency by 20 to 30% if not addressed. Several factors can trigger communication errors in the American Standard Platinum 18 heat pump. Loose or damaged wiring, especially the low-voltage control wires that connect components, is a primary culprit. Electromagnetic interference from nearby electronics or power surges can disrupt the system's communication signals. This interference can come from devices like microwaves, wireless routers, or electrical storms. A faulty control board within the system can prevent proper data exchange between components. The control board manages all communication protocols, and any defects can cause persistent errors. The Platinum 18 integrates IoT features for remote monitoring, but outdated firmware can cause communication issues during data transmission. Firmware vulnerabilities may lead to errors in secure protocols. Regular maintenance is essential to prevent these communication breakdowns. Annual inspections can identify and fix issues before they cause major problems. The first steps in troubleshooting communication errors involve basic checks and resets you can perform yourself. First, consult the system's wiring diagram in the installation manual. This diagram shows how all components are connected and can help identify potential wiring issues. Use a multimeter to check the wiring for continuity, looking for any breaks or shorts in the low-voltage control wires that could cause communication issues. A simple reset can often resolve temporary glitches. Try resetting the thermostat by holding the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds, or power cycle the entire unit by turning it off at the breaker for a few minutes, then back on. Look for a diagnostic mode on the thermostat. Pressing specific buttons can reveal error codes that help identify the exact communication problem. These initial steps can often restore proper communication. If the problem persists, more advanced diagnostics may be needed. Many Platinum 18 thermostats have a diagnostic mode you can access, often by pressing a specific sequence of buttons. This mode displays error codes that pinpoint the source of the problem. To enter diagnostic mode, press a specific sequence of buttons on the thermostat. For example, you might need to press and hold the menu button, then the up arrow, then the enter button. Once in diagnostic mode, the thermostat displays error codes that pinpoint the source of the problem. Common codes include communication errors, sensor faults, or wiring issues. Trane provides documentation online for interpreting these codes. Their manuals and support pages offer detailed explanations and step-by-step fixes. Note that since 2025, Trane emphasized OTA diagnostics, allowing remote troubleshooting. This means technicians can diagnose issues without visiting your home. Consult Trane's official support site or forums for the latest details on error codes and diagnostic procedures. Simple issues like loose wiring or a need for a thermostat reset can often be fixed yourself. These basic repairs don't require specialized tools and can restore communication quickly. Firmware updates, downloadable via the Trane app or USB, can address known communication bugs. These updates are designed to fix software issues that cause communication errors without hardware changes. However, more complex problems like a faulty control board or significant wiring damage typically require professional service. These issues involve electrical components that need expert knowledge to diagnose and repair safely. Attempting repairs beyond your expertise can further damage the system. Always know your limits and call a certified technician for complex issues to avoid voiding warranties or causing safety hazards. Trane regularly releases firmware updates to address known communication bugs in the Platinum 18 heat pump. These updates are crucial for maintaining system stability and performance. To visualize the impact, the signal icon shows communication status changing from error to stable. Updates released in late 2024 and early 2025, like version 2.4.1, specifically addressed issues exacerbated by power fluctuations or Wi-Fi interference. To apply these updates, check the Trane app for available updates or visit their website for manual download instructions. Keeping your firmware current ensures reliable communication and optimal performance. Experts from organizations like the Air Conditioning Contractors of America emphasize that proper installation is the foundation for preventing communication errors in HVAC systems. They stress that installation quality directly impacts long-term system reliability and efficiency. According to a comprehensive survey conducted by HVAC professionals, approximately 70% of communication errors in systems like the American Standard Platinum 18 originate from wiring errors made during the initial installation process. These errors can include improper connections, damaged cables, or incorrect voltage setups. To prevent these issues, experts strongly recommend prioritizing installations performed by certified professionals. Certified technicians undergo specialized training and adhere to industry standards, significantly reducing the likelihood of recurring communication errors. Beyond installation, regular maintenance plays a crucial role in prevention. Experts advise conducting annual inspections to identify and address potential problems before they escalate into communication failures. These inspections can catch issues like loose connections or early component wear. Finally, consider upgrading to EMI-shielded wiring as a proactive measure. This specialized wiring minimizes electromagnetic interference from nearby electronics or power sources, which can disrupt communication signals in modern HVAC systems. Future trends in HVAC communication fixes are moving towards smarter, more integrated systems. AI-assisted troubleshooting is becoming common, with tools like Train's AI chatbot that analyze error logs and provide suggested fixes. For example, Train's AI chatbot can examine error logs from your heat pump and recommend specific solutions, reducing repair times significantly. By 2030, expect widespread adoption of self-healing networks in heat pumps. These systems use machine learning to automatically correct communication errors through firmware updates, eliminating many manual troubleshooting steps. Train is also investing in quantum-resistant encryption for communication protocols to protect against cyber threats. This advanced security further automates the process by preventing unauthorized access that could cause errors. Overall, these future trends in HVAC communication fixes emphasize automation, security, and intelligence, making heat pump systems more reliable and easier to maintain.